It is a double beat for General Motors. Company reported earnings this morning and beat on both the earnings and revenue lines, earning $1.87 a share versus an estimate of $1.25. Revenue $35.79 billion versus an estimate of $34.8 billion. Check out the stock, up 8% right now. That is a Dow component that is lifting many boats this morning on General Motors. Major indices looking to end the month on a high note. Meanwhile, we got a rally underway this morning, although check out the month of October. It is on pace to be one of the worst months for markets in years. The Dow Industrials for the month down 6%, the S&P down 8%, and the Nasdaq down 11%.